push people back.
Get down with the victim. We both know you need them. You're stuck in the middle of all irrelevance. And your heart is beating, cause you know that you gotta get out of the middle and rise to the top now.
Like talk to the Jew. Man, I try to find this place. I'm way 1 hour away from Dallas. I'm supposed to find this gun range place. And my GPS doesn't work. And my phone doesn't work, my signal. That's how far I'm away from the city. I'm over here. I drive all the way like down. Like I find this narrow road. And then I lose signal. Oh shit, that's the church right there. This nigga was talking about the church. I'm still looking for this place. Kind of like all over to the countryside. Way to the countryside. So this is how the road look like. Only like two lane cars, one going, one coming back. Hot. Finally we found a place that I've been looking for all day. Took me forever to find this place, man. That's how it looked like. It's like a little ranch. So my phone wasn't working. This place is so far that I even lose signal, that my GPS doesn't work. So it bring me all the way up here, and then I have to, you know, find my way out on my own. It took us forever to find this place. Just over here, you getting ready?
I mean, I guess I see that.
We went to grab something to eat real quick.
Interesting.
That's my friend right there, D-Tron.
Okay, if you say so.
And that's the daughter right here. What's your name? What's your name? Go, yeah, tell him. Her name is Glow. Her name is Glow. That's her daughter. That's his daughter right there. That's D-Tron. That's me. So we're gonna be.
Does it come with a sedan?
Doing a little bit of shooting real quick.
But you are worth it.
You sure about that? I mean, I had no idea it was a chicken until you said so. Don't.
Oh, you got a phone? It's a bullet. You ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell you what, let's scoot one over. Huh?
We'll scoot. Ah, no, it's good. It's good. This is good. Yeah, this is fine.
I already opened it.
Okay, we'll stick that.
That's where the target right there. Target one over here and then one over here.
But I put my finger
What?
right here. I put my finger.
It's not hurting?
Huh?
It's not hurting your fingers?
No.
Yeah, so it's gonna be pretty good. Hey, how's it going? Not bad. How are you? Oh, pretty good.
I'm gonna put some target real quick.
Oh yeah.
That's the target right here.
Yeah. You see that? Oh yeah, his target right here. Bam.
Ready for it.
Now you see.
And that's where we're going.
There you go.
So far it is.
Yeah, I was gonna say yours is better than mine, man. All right. I should have invested in this. So that's pretty good distance, right?
Yeah.
See how far?
Look like it's far though. Can we able to see it though?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll have a scope on, so you'll be able to see.
Or like, okay.
Yeah. If anything, you'll be able to see this big old red dot.
So the main thing is just you want to get this.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. And then how big your spread is. So whatever your maximum spread is, that's how accurate you are. But if you look at it, this is kind of like about the size of your chest, right?
Yeah.
So and it's about the size of your head. So if you hit this, you're fine.
Okay.
And anywhere in there, it's okay.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
I did it a long time ago from high school.
Oh yeah.
You can come over here, come on.
You already put fire? Yeah, I already put fire. Yeah. Doing it for a while, man.
I really need to get some.
Huh?
I need to get some.
Oh yeah, it's pretty cool. I gotta tell you, pretty nice.
You think it's fake?
Yeah, when you push it in, like push it in. There you go. There you go. And then once you're done, angle it like this. You kind of hit it with your hand. There you go. Now you set. Okay, so we'll teach you about mechanics real quick, right? Okay. Then I usually just use my hand. If you want a sandbag, I can give you a sandbag, but I'll use my hand right here. And basically what I'm doing is, if I need to move up just a tiny inch or lower a tiny inch, I use my hand. Like I'll do like this. I'll relax my hand, it'll go down. So notice how it's moving up and down?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what you want to do. And so find your target. So, all right, so I see the target right there, all three of them. And so once you see the target, yeah, like kind of like this. Look at what my face is. So you need to be about. There you go. Yeah. Like basically, the top of your hat should be over this.
Cover it.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. Something like that. Yeah. So you already got one in the chamber, so you're ready to fire whenever. Okay. And so you're gonna be, you see the targets? So there's one that's all gray. You're gonna be hitting the one that's all gray.
The gray one?
Yeah. There's one that's all gray, no red at all in it. That's the one you're going for. You see it?
I see one on the other side.
Let me see. Okay, so you got 2 on top and 1 on bottom, right? Okay, so 2 on top and 1 on bottom. You're doing the one that's on the right, okay? Because the one on the right is all gray. Okay. That's all gray. You see it?
Is that the one on this one here, right?
Yeah, the close one. Yeah, the one that's right in front
So
of you.
this corner there's a gray one.
Yeah. Yeah. You see it? You got
I can lower it down.
yeah.
Yeah, you got everything.
So how do I know which targets are mine?
Oh,
Brother.
whichever ones you put up, like mine are big circles. They're red and black circles.
Okay, so you just see it when you go.
Yeah. Yeah, no. Your targets are your own, bro.
Okay.
All right, that should be a lot closer. Much quieter. What'd you get?
3. Two more to go.
All right, 2 more. Wow. Dude, that's so much quieter. That's like a 90-day difference. What do you think? It's pretty cool, right?
It's cool.
Yeah.
Daddy,
Huh?
can we watch a movie in the living room after this?
And I think you are hitting that though.
I'm hitting it. You think so?
Yeah, it looks like some holes are in it.
What were those white balls for?
High this time.
I try to shoot a little lower.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna try to shoot over there. Let's see what I get.
like this one better.
You like them better?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's cooler. Cooler.
We can go ahead, all right?
Huh?
I can go ahead?
Yeah, go for it, man. You're good to go. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Yeah, you can put it wherever you want to.
I can see why you put it low like that.
Uh-huh. Yeah, so you can see. It's hard to see otherwise, man.
So what are you mixing? Can you explain a little bit?
Yeah. So we got some fertilizer and we got some gunpowder. Mixing those two.
So he's mixing it, so see how it's gonna be like. Shake it. I'm gonna try it's gonna react to it.
The science experiments. Let's see.
You gotta mix it up all the way.
Oh, yeah, that
Yeah,
looks
that's
good.
what it look like. Like small pie, okay.
That's pretty much it. It won't hold anymore. Got it? All right.
Then we're gonna put it over there. There's already one more over there. Then we're gonna be going with this. All right, you can go. You're about to take it down.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hit this target down here.
Okay. Yeah, that shit is loud though.
Yeah, it's loud, man. Woo!
You're about to take it down.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hit this target.
You got it?
Yeah, nah, man.
My turn. I'm about to go next. Here.
All right.
It's my turn.
Okay.
Pull it out.
Mm-hmm. All the way back. There you go. All the way back. Let go. There you go.
All right.
All right. All right. Come around the table because you're probably gonna have to walk up to him a little bit and show him who's boss.
This is a man right here. This is a man right here.
There you go.
About to go next.
Take it
This
off.
one got a laser in it.
Yeah, it's got a laser. Take it off safe though. It's still on safe.
This shit not gonna knock me out, bro.
No, you good, man. You good. Get a little closer, man. Get a little closer. Okay. All right. Hold on for a second. All right. Now, I'm gonna let you go there.
You put on safety first.
No, just go to that one. Yeah.
Yeah, the push me back.
Keep going. Keep going.
Oh, it's done.
Yeah, that's it, man.
Put on safety.
That's safe.
Is there some more ammo now?
Yeah. There's plenty of ammo, man. Yeah, flip it on the other side. Yeah, that way you got this little thing. Yeah. There you go, boy. Things on the roster.
We're gonna go with these now. For that.
Won't you tell me what to do? 'Cause I'm playing it